Let's start this. Look at the first question. What is the first question all about? This is based on seating arrangement. How many members? There are 9 persons, namely D, F, G, K, O, R, T, W, and Z, sit in a straight line facing north, but not necessarily in the same order. The distance between the adjacent persons is same. So, how many persons? 9 persons. And all of them are facing north. Okay, yes. Let's see what's the first point. R sits to the left of T, but not immediate. R sits to the left of T, but not immediate. This is the place where R can start. R can go further towards left, but only from this place. It's not immediate. Is this clear? Next, F sits in the middle of the line. There are 9 people sitting in a straight line. F is sitting in the middle of the table, and then ardham emiti? There are 4 people to the right of F and 4 people to the left of F. Telusu kadamma idi. Next emito? W sits to the immediate left of K and third to the left of Z. This end is referring to W. So the position of W is based on 2 people. One is to the immediate left of K is W. What's the next point? Third to the left of Z. W is also third to the left of Z. So this is the what I get. Next, G sits at one of the extreme ends of the lines. I am not sure where is this G. G can be in the left corner or in the right corner. Next, only one person sits between F and D. Are you sure with the positions of F and D? No. Maybe D is to the right side of F or to the left side of F. What's the next line here? The number of persons who sit to the left of K is same as right of O. Left of K is equals to right of O. Their positions will be corresponding to each other. You know about that particular point. So, what I try to do is, my first possibility I go for D here. ఒకటి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి అమ్మా, చాలా చాలా చిన్న క్వశ్చన్ ఇది, అర్థమవుతుందా? మల్టిపుల్ కేసెస్ వచ్చినాయని చెప్పేసి ఓ కంగారు పడిపోయి మళ్ళీ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 అని చెప్పి రాసి ఇట్లాంటి పనులు చేయకూడదు. బికాస్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్ విల్ డిపెండ్ అపాన్ డీస్ పొజిషన్, అంతే కదా? చెప్పండి. చలో, నౌ దిస్ ఇస్ డి హియర్ and then WK and Z. అవునా కాదా? My possibilities, I'm only exploring the possibilities what I can do. WK and this is Z. If WK is second from the left, O should be second from right. Then this will be G. And this is the place for R and T. But it is very clearly given in the question, T and R are not immediate neighbors. Will I get my answer? No way. This is not at all possible. What was the other possibility? I can get W here, K here and Z here. What is the problem? K is third from the right and O should be third from the left. But third from the left is already occupied by D. So yes, am I getting the answer? No. Where did I go wrong? I have gone wrong with the position of D. Only one person between F and D. This is W, this is K and this is Z. What about K? Second from the left. What about O? Second from the right. This cannot be the place of G. This has to be the place of G. This is T and this is R. Did I commit any mistake? No. I'm done with the answer. Understood? This is how you should try to solve the question. Explore the possibilities. Very small question. Never ever try to split into 2 cases. చిన్న క్వశ్చన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు 2 కేసెస్గా తీసుకోకూడదు. ఏదన్నా ఒక కేసు తీసుకొని కంక్లూడ్ చేసేయాలి దాన్ని. అర్థమవుతుందా? Who sits third to the right of the one who is sitting to the immediate right of F? Who is sitting to the immediate right of F? T. And third to the right of T is G. Who amongst the following are immediate neighbors of the person who sit at the extreme ends? Who are sitting at the extreme ends? W and G. And who are their neighbors? K and O. Option number 1, 68. Who amongst the following sits exactly between K and T? Z, 69. Which of the following statements are false? Be careful, is given us in bold letters. False is given in bold letters. So you are supposed to consider the statement that is false regarding D. T sits to the immediate right of D. Is T sitting to the immediate right of D? No. Is this false? Yes. Only 2 persons sit to the right of D. This is true, but we don't want the statement which is true. We want the statement which is false. Third, R sits fourth to the left of D. Fourth to the left of D. Fourth to the left of D, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it R? Chapandama. So, is it true or false? True. I need false. Only one statement is false. And what is that one statement which is false? 1. Which option is my answer? 1. 4 out of the following 5 are alike in a certain way and hence form a group. R and F, there is one person between R and F. D and G, one person. T and F, immediate neighbors. W and R, one person. F and D also one person. So what's my option? Third option. 71, I think this is also a puzzle. Let's see what's going on here. 9 members, B, D, F, H, J, L, N, P and R are living in a building which has 3 floors and each floor has 3 flats, that is 1, 2 and 3. How many floors? 3 floors. And each floor has how many flats? 3 flats. And what is the order of the flats? Floor 1, so flat 1 is to the west of flat 2, 2 which is to the west of flat 3. Ground floor is numbered 1 and the topmost floor is numbered 2. So this is floors 1, 2 and 3. And these are flat numbers 1, 2 and 3. 3 floors, 3 flats. R lives to the southwest of J. What did he say? R lives to the southwest of J. Is this what I get? Everyone? R lives to the southwest of J. Next. H lives third floor but not in flat 2. H lives in third floor but not in flat 2. Maybe H is in 3-1 or H is in 3-3. It's not in the second flat together. Next. D lives to the northeast of B. D lives to the northeast of B. If this is B, this should be D. Okay, na? Next table to chadu. D and N live in the same numbered flat. N is equals to D. Kani ఏ విషయంలో flat. J lives 2 floors above F. J lives 2 floors above F. We have only 3 floors. And J is living 2 floors above F. Obviously, F has to live in the first floor and J has to live in the topmost floor, third floor. Isn't it? Next table. P lives to the southwest of D. P lives to the southwest of D. If this is D, this is southwest and this should be P. There are multiple clues based on D here. Next, R lives immediately above N but not in different flats. But in different flats are, not in different flats are. Not in different flats ante మరి R and N are living in the same flat కదమ్మా చెప్పండి ఎవరి గురించి మాట్లాడాడు R lives immediately above N and both are living in the same flat because he said not in different flats. B does not live on the ground floor. B is not living in the first floor. Am I done with all the clues? Yes or no? What's my duty here ante my duty is to connect all the given clues. My duty is to connect all the given clues. Let us first connect this R and N. Because if I connect R and N, I can connect N and D. Avuna kada? Because D and N are living in the same flat. Same flat. Is this clear to you all? Tell me one point. Can I place R in the topmost floor? Impossible because J is living above R. So pakka R has to live in the second floor. Inko option ledu. R cannot go to the first floor. Avuna kada? Inko vishayam cheppandi. Can R live in the first? Can R live here? Say yes or no. If R is here, then this is N and pakka this should be D. But look at this southwest of D. Here, there is one person called B. Can D live in the first flat? So we have a problem. Obviously, we have to take R here and this is N and this is D. J will be here because of this. The 100% guarantee this is H. B is not living in the first floor, then this should be B. Look at P, southwest of D. This should be P. And this is F. And who is left out? What are the names? Please call out the names. B, D, F, H, J and L. L is missing. So this is L. Is this tough or easy? Easy. The only thing you're supposed to do here is connect the given clues. Once after I have connected them, I got the answer in no time. Understood? Who lives in third floor and third flat? Third floor, third flat is J. What is the floor and flat number of R respectively? Floor and flat respectively. R, second floor, second flat. Second floor, second flat. Option 3. Who amongst the following 3 persons live in the same flat? Please be careful. He said same flat. He's not asking same floor. He's asking same flat. HBP, all the 3 in the same flat? Yes. They are all living in the first flat. Avuna kada? Same flat and Jagartha. Who amongst the following lives immediately above R in the same flat number? Immediately above R in the same flat number is D. Antena? 75. 4 out of the following 5 are alike in a certain way. D. Come on, where is D living? Where is D living? Third floor, second flat. B. Second floor, first flat. Next. D, B, next is L. Where is this L living? Second floor, third flat. P, first floor, first flat. N, first floor, second flat. What did you understand? For all other people here, their floor number and flat number is different. Except P. P's floor number and flat number is same. For all others, it is different. Is this clear? So, which option is my answer? Fourth option. Let me go for 76. 76, we are seeing syllogisms here. We are seeing what? Syllogisms. Chustara, what is the first one? Amma, syllogisms mana ela chestam. How will you solve syllogisms? Only by drawing the diagram. After that, we will not use any pen and paper. Clear? Chalo, come on, let's draw the diagram. Some phones are tabs. No tab is a Bluetooth. Only a few Bluetooth are Apple. Only a few arrow mark from B to A. Is this clear? So what is the first one? Some phones are not apples. Yes, some phones are not apples. Right or wrong? Right. Complementary. All phones are apples. Can I take all the phones inside Apple? Yes. Happy ga diskopochu. I'll put all the phones here. Along with phone, tab. Tab and Bluetooth should not touch each other. Done gada? Did I commit any mistake? No. Am I able to draw the complementary diagram? Yes. So when you're able to draw the complementary diagram, your regular conclusion becomes false. What's the next one? All apples being Bluetooth is a possibility. Can I take all the apples inside Bluetooth? Happy ga. That is a specialty of the arrow mark. So is it a possibility? Yes. So this is right. What's the answer? Only 2 follows. 77. Each green is park. What do you mean by this? All green are park. Sorry, pink. All green are pink. I misread it as park. It is pink. Next. Only a few pink are violet. Only a few pink are violet. Arrow mark from B to A. Some violet are blue. Some violet are blue. Okay, na? Some green. So, this green. Some green is blue. Some green is blue. No. No green is violet. Absolutely right. What's the complementary? Some green are violet. Can violet go and touch green? Happy ga. No problem at all. Complementary right. This is wrong. What's the answer? Neither 1 nor 2. Are you all able to follow this? Let's go for 78. Some chairs are wheels. Only a few wheels are cars. B to A arrow mark. This is chair. Some chairs are wheels. Only a few wheels are cars. Some cars are roads. Some cars are roads. What's the first conclusion? Some wheels are cars. Right or wrong? Right. Some wheels are not car good right. This area, which is not intact with car, this area, some wheels are not cars. What's the complementary? All wheels are cars. Can wheel go inside car? Impossible. Why? Arrow mark, one-way traffic. Only car can go inside wheel. but wheel cannot go inside car. So when this is wrong, this is right. What's my answer? Both 1 and 2 follows. Is it clear? 79. Come on. There's one small printing mistake in this question number 79. What is that? I'll just tell you as we try to solve this question. Some information, very key and important information is missing here. So because of some typing error, that information is not present here, but I'll tell you what is that information which is missing. Let's try to solve the question. 8 persons purchased 8 different items such as TV, chocolate, wall clock, computer, fridge, laptop, AC and pen, but not necessarily in the same order. Laptop is purchased before wall clock. Laptop is purchased before wall clock. Total number of items in number 8. They are purchased arranged that order. Only 2 persons purchased the items after the one who purchased pens. How many persons? Only 2 persons. Total number of persons who purchased the different items is 8. Acha, 7. There are 2 people who purchased behind you. How many people? If there are only 2 people who are purchasing after you, what is your number from last? 3. What is given in the question? Only 2 persons purchased items after the one who purchased pen. So pen should be in the third place from bottom. 3 persons purchased between the one who purchased pen and the one who purchased TV. How many in between them? 3. Pen, 1, 2, 3. This should be TV. Is this clear? Everyone? Next one. Come on. The one who purchased AC purchased immediately before the one who purchased chocolate. Immediately before chocolate is AC. And now I said there's a mistake that has crept in, and this is what it is. At least 3 persons are between the one who purchased AC and the one who purchased computers. How many? At least 3. At least 3 and minimum 3. Minimum 3. After this computer, put a comma and write down. After this computer, put a comma and write down. I told you one important information is missing from this question. Na? What's that information? This comma. Computer which is purchased after AC. Computer which is purchased after AC. Computer which is purchased after AC. At least 3 persons who purchased between the one who purchased AC and the one who purchased computer. Computer which is purchased after AC. So what's before? AC is before computer. Avuna kada? So pakka this is AC. Minimum how many people in between them? 3. Minimum enta mandamma? Because he said at least 3. And then comes computer. Avuna kada? Next line jadu. Fridge is after the one who purchased computer. Fridge is after the one who purchased computer. So after computer is fridge. Is it immediate? No. It can be or it cannot be. But fridge is purchased after computer. More than 2 persons are there between the one who purchased laptop and the one who purchased wall clock. Laptop and wall clock more than 2. Already you have some information about laptop and wall clock. Wall clock is after laptop. Laptop hai kadamma? Chapandamma. So pakka this is laptop. Tarvata more than 2. More than 2 hai kada? Ante greater than 2. Tarvata enti wall. Greater than 2 ante will start from 3. Is this clear to you all? This is the information that I have, and AC and chocolate are adjacent. Can I take AC here? Impossible. Why? Because after AC should be computer and between them minimum gap should be 3. Is it possible? No. Can I take AC immediately above pen? No, because chocolate. So this is AC, this is chocolate. Minimum 3. 1, 2, 3. This is computer. I have a problem. Ain't a problem. Fridge is after computer. So pakka, naak any chances unnayi inka? There is only 1. I have explored all the possibilities for AC and chocolate. So this should be AC and this should be chocolate. AC and computer. 1, 2, 3. Minimum 1, 2, 3. minimum. It can also be 4, computer. After computer, fridge. Is this clear? And then laptop and wall clock. This is laptop and this is wall clock. What is the point here? The gap between laptop and wall clock should be more than 2. More than 2 ante you should start from 3. How many between laptop and wall clock? 3. Did I miss any condition? No. I have satisfied all the given conditions. But as I told you, this one small mistake that has crept in, okay, unnoticed into this question. Please make that one small correction. Is this clear? Copy. Let's mark the answers. How many persons are there between the persons who purchased laptop and the one who purchased chocolate? Laptop and chocolate. How many persons? 2 persons. Who amongst the following has purchased immediately after the one who purchased pen? Immediately after the one who purchased pen is computers. Who among the following item? It's not who amongst the following, it should be which among the following items is the first one to purchase. ఇది who కాదు, which ఉండాలి ఇక్కడ. Which among the following items is the first one to purchase? What is the first one to purchase? Come on, laptop. 82. Which of the following statements is true? What is he asking us about? True. The one who purchased wall clock is after the one who purchased TV, but before the one who purchased computer. Yes, wall clock is after TV and before computer. First is right. I do have another 2 statements. No one has purchased item after fridge. Yes, pakka yes. 3. The number of items purchased before AC is same as after computer. AC's position from top is 3. Computer's second position from bottom is 2. Will it be same? No. What's the answer? 1 and 2. Option 4. Let's go for question number 83. Pen and chocolate. What's happening between pen and chocolate? 1. There's 1 item between pen and chocolate. Laptop and IC also 1 item. Computer and wall clock, I see 1 item. TV and computer more than 1. Pen and fridge only 1. So which option is my answer? 4th option. Let's go for the question from 84. This is from 84 to 88. This question is clearly on a certain number of people are sitting in a straight line facing north direction. So from the recent past, they've been asking this question regularly in the exam. And this is on certain number of people are sitting in a straight line facing north. Okay na? ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్ రెగ్యులర్గా అడగడం జరుగుతుంది. కొంచెం ఇలాంటివి ఎక్కువ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకుంటే మనకే మంచిది. ఓకే, ఎస్. M sits, ఏమిటమ్మా M sits? 8th to the left of J. This is J, 8th left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Who is this? M. M sits 8th to the left of J. When M is 8th to the left of J, there are 7 people between J and M. అవునా కాదా? నెక్స్ట్ ఏమిటో P sits కాదు. N sits 4th to the right of K. N sits 4th to the right of K. K 4th right is N. P sits 3rd from extreme right end of the line. Come on, this is very important for us. P sits 3rd from extreme right end of the line. If this is the extreme right end, 1, 2, 3 is P. His position is fixed kada? Next time chudu. O sits to the immediate left of P. O sits to the immediate left of P. Next, only 6 people sit between N and O. 6 people are sitting between N and O. Is it possible to the right side of O na left side of O na? Because right side of O there are only 3 people. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Evaru ravali? Antena? 6 people, only 6 people sit between N and O. 6 unnara? Yes. N anagane we have some information connected to N and K. 1, 2, 3, 4, K. ఓకేనా అమ్మా? చెప్పండి. నెక్స్ట్ ఏమిటో చదువు. L sits exactly between K and J. L sits exactly between K and J అంటే అసలు K ఎక్కడ ఉన్నారో మనకు తెలుసు, కానీ J ఎక్కడ ఉన్నారో కింద లైన్లో తెలుసా? తెలీదు. L sits exactly between K and J. Only 10 people sit to the left of J. 10 people sit to the left of J. How many to the left of J already? 8. Extra 2. Final, closed together. 10 people to the left of J, and what is J's position from the left hand? 11. J's position from the left hand is 11. Next. The number of persons sitting between J and M is equals to J and Q. J is the number of people sitting between J and M is equals to J and Q. M is to the left of J. Then Q has to be to the right of J. How many between J and M? As discussed earlier, 7. J and Q also 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Q. Okay now? Next time, Amma. K sits second to the right of M. K sits done. How many to the left of M? 10. How many to the left of M? M gaadu. How many to the left of M? Only 2. How many to the left of M? Only 2. Earlier there was one point which said left of J there are only 10 people. Andukane left of M we have only 2 people. Is this clear? అయిపోయింది. M నుంచి ఎవరిని ఫిక్స్ చేయొచ్చు? Jని ఫిక్స్ చేయొచ్చు. ఎన్ని మంది మధ్యలో ఉండాలి? 7 people ఉండాలి. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. దిస్ ఇస్ J. మళ్ళీ J to Q కూడా మధ్యలో ఎంతమంది ఉండాలి? 7 members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. దిస్ ఇస్ Q. ఓకేనా? There was one point in the middle. L sits exactly between K and J. There is no other opportunity other than that. Last line, no one sits to the left of T. No one sits to the left of T. And T is sitting in the extreme left corner. Am I done with this? Chapandama. How many members are there in the row? How many members are there in the row? Ani lekka pettakunda కూర్చోకండి. కొంచెం స్మార్ట్ గా యాక్ట్ చేయండి ఇక్కడ. Already we know the position of J from the left hand. What is the position of J from the left hand? 11th. What is the position of J from the left hand? 11. Now we'll count how many are to the right of J. How many are to the right of J? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Including J, 11. To the right of J, 8. 11 plus 8, 19. అయిపోయింది కదా? What is position of J with respect to the one who sits second to the right of P? Second to the right of P is Q. What is the position of J with respect to Q? 8th to the left. ఎందుకు చెప్పు? In between J and Q there are 7 people. When there are 7 people, your position will be 8th. Yes or no? చెప్పండమ్మా. 3 people are sitting between A and B అంట. ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తున్నా. This is 3 people between A and B. What is the position of A with respect to B అంటే 3 people or 4th person. 4th to the left. అర్థమైందా? ఇది ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మాత్రమే అట్లా. ఎందుకంటే ఆల్రెడీ 7 people అని మనకు తెలుసు కాబట్టి J will be in the 8th position from Q. You have to decide by looking at the diagram, it is to the right or it is to the left. According to the diagram, it is left. Okay na? How many people are sitting, how many members are sitting between M and L? How many between M and L? 4. Who amongst the following sits to the immediate right of L? Evaramma? 4 out of the following 5 alike anta. Chudandi evito. T and M, 1 person in between them. N and J, 1 person in between them. P and Q, also 1 person between them. M and K, also 1 person in between them. But the problem is with T and K, there are 3 people. So this is something different with the previous options. Next is 89, 6 members of different heights. This is a question on comparisons. 6 people are comparing their heights. Let's see this. There are 6 members of different heights. How many members? 6. S is taller than Q. Who is this S? He is taller than Q. T is taller than only 2 people. Amma? T is taller than only 2 people. And behind T, there are only 2 people. So obviously this is T. T is taller than only 2 people. Simple గుర్తుపెట్టుకో. T taller అంటే greater than only 2. After T there are how many people? Only 2 people. Only 2 people are behind you, then your number is third from bottom. Yes or no? Very good. S is taller than T but shorter than P. S is taller than T but shorter than P. R is taller than V. Who is this R? Taller than V. R is taller than V, but shorter than Q. But shorter than Q. And I missed a line out here. What is that? There's one line that I missed out. S is taller than Q. After S, how many people? Minimum 3 people. Avuna kada? Can I take S here? No way. There's no place for Q, R and V. So this is S, Q, R, V, and who is left out? P. 6 people, isn't it? What's the last 2 lines? The height of the second tallest person is 173. P is 173 because second tallest. And the third shortest has 140. Third shortest is T and he is 140. What's the question? Who amongst the following persons is the third tallest? Who is the third tallest? Q. P has a height of 182 centimeters. If P has a height of 182 and this is applicable only for this question, then what is the sum of the heights of P and T? 182 plus 140, 322. Isn't it? Come on. Who amongst the following is the person who is just taller than the one who has a height of 173? 173 కంటే taller, there is only one person. ఎవరు వాళ్ళు? P. Done కదా? Okay, done. ఇప్పుడు ఏంటో చూద్దాం ఇవేంటమ్మా? These are questions on data sufficiency. You have to decide whether the data provided in the statements are sufficient to answer the question. Clearly, this is a question on data sufficiency. Let's try to read this question here. There are how many persons? There are 8 members, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q and R living in an 8-story building but not necessarily in the same order. The ground floor is numbered 1 and the floor above is numbered 2. On till the top most floor is numbered 8. So yes, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How many statements will I get? 2 statements, and I have to decide whether the given data is enough to answer the question or not. This is first statement, then this is for second statement. Let me try to solve this question. What's the point here? M lives on even number floor, but not on floor number 8. M is living in which floor? Even number floor, but not in 8. Then M has how many possibilities? M can live in 2nd, 4th or 6th. Next, 2 persons are living between M and Q. Q does not live on the ground floor. Q is not living in the ground floor. How many people between M and Q? 2 people between M and Q. Is this clear? Chapandama. ఎప్పుడైనా సరే గుర్తుపెట్టుకో, డేటా సఫిషియన్సీకి అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ చాలా 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 ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఫర్ ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్ డేటా సఫిషియన్సీ, వాట్ ఈస్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ఆస్క్డ్? దట్ ఈస్ ద మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్ హియర్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ఆస్క్డ్? What is the question asked? Who lives at the 5th floor? My concentration is only about 5th floor. Do you know where is this M sitting? Do I know where is this M sitting? When I don't know where is this M sitting, how can I decide who will be staying in the 5th floor? It is not possible, kada. Multiple possibilities. Am I getting answer with one? No. I'll go for 2 separately. M lives on floor number 2. 3 persons lives between M and N. 1, 2, 3, this is N. Q lives immediate to N. Q lives immediate to N. Q can be in the 7th floor or Q can be in the 5th floor. Did I get exact answer? No. I'm not getting exact answer even with 2. I didn't get answer with 1. I didn't get answer with 2. My duty is to check both 1 and 2. When I combine both and 1 and 2, it is very, very clear to us that M should be staying either in the 2nd, 4th or 6th. M is living in 2nd. Happy kada? How many people between M and Q? 2 people. Q can live in 5th floor. There is a possibility kada? So pakka I got the answer by comparing both 1 and 2. Who is living in the 5th floor? Q. Is this clear? So both 1 and 2 is your answer. 93. This is a question on coding and decoding. And if you find a question on coding and decoding, what I suggest you every time is, please, you need to have two sentences in the given statements. If they give us only one single sentence, you won't get the answer. Pakka there should be how many sentences? 2 sentences, because there need to be something to combined kada. Avuna kada? First statement lo 2 sentences ichi vaati quotes ichchada. Second వాటిలో కూడా 2 సెంటెన్సెస్ ఇచ్చి వాటి కోడ్స్ ఇచ్చాడా అంటే ఎస్, అప్పుడు మన ఆన్సర్ వచ్చే అవకాశం ఉందని అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. వాట్ ఈస్ ద కోడ్ ఫర్ వెరైటీ? ప్లాంట్ వెరైటీ ట్రీస్ గివ్స్ ఎయిర్. బై కంపేరింగ్ the first sentence, there is only one word common. What is that one word common? Trees. On the right hand side, it is ST and ST. What is the code for variety? And it can be TU or GH. Vache chance unda? Ledu. One alone? No way. Two alone. Plant gives airs. Air allows oxygen. Plant gives air allows oxygen. Anta. Vastada amma answer. ఎయిర్ కామన్. అప్పుడు ఎయిర్ కామన్ అంటే ఏమవ్వాలి? ఓజెడ్. ఓకేనా? 2 alone also I didn't get the answer. What is my duty? Combine 1 and 2. When I combine 1 and 2, I can get answer for plant కదా. చెప్పండి అమ్మా. What is the code for plant? Plant. TU is common. అవునా కాదా? Gives is VX. కానీ మనకు కావాల్సింది వెరైటీ. What is the code for variety? GH. Did I get the answer? Yes. How did I get the answer? By combining both 1 and 2. 94. J, K, L, M and N, each one owns a different amount of salaries. Who owns the second highest salary? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who owns the second highest salary? Statement 1. Only one person earns less than M. Only one person earns less than M. Behind M, there is only one person. So M is second from bottom. L earns more than M but less than N. L earns more than M but less than N. L earns more than K. So before M, there are 3 places. Now where should I fix this N and L? I have 2 possibilities kada. 2 or 3? 3 possibilities. If this is N, this is L. If this is N, this is L. If this is N, this can also be L. Multiple possibilities వస్తున్నాయి. ఆన్సర్ వస్తుందా మనకి 1 నుంచి? 1 నుంచి ఆన్సర్ రానప్పుడు నేను ఏం చేయాలి? 2 సపరేట్గా ట్రై చేయాలి. ఇప్పుడు 2 సపరేట్గా ట్రై చేద్దాం. 3, 4, 5. వాడు ఏమన్నాడు? ఓన్లీ 2 people earn more than K. ఎంతమంది అమ్మా? K కంటే ముందు ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? 2 మాత్రమే. అంటే K is third from top. నెక్స్ట్, K earns more than M but less than L. N earns more than L. Before K, who is there? L. Before L, who is there? N. What do I need? Who is the second highest? Who is the second highest? L. Did I get the answer? Yes. Absolutely right. I got answer from only 2. అర్థమవుతుందా అందరికీ? 95 చూడండి అమ్మా. This is based on coded inequalities. What is this based on? Coded inequalities. But what is this? All the inequalities are coded with some separate symbol. Whenever you come across this type of questions, I have told you a number of times what you are supposed to do. Em cheyalamma? Compare the left hand side with right hand side. What is the first letter in the left hand side? A. What is the first letter in the right hand side? A. Any problem? No problem. So first letter is related to second letter. If this is B and this is also B here. Okay na? Yes. What does these symbols mean? Percentile. What does percentile mean? Percentile and David Amma. Come on, what is percentile? What is percentile? Percentile is less than. Because he says neither greater nor equal. ఎక్కువ కాదు, సమానం కాదు, less than. Next, at the rate. Neither less than nor equal. Then it should be greater than. Star. Neither greater nor less than, equals to. Cap, this is called power. A power B. A is not greater than, less than or equal. Dollar, not less than. See, the only intention of the examiner here is to waste your valuable time. Ante. Avuna kada? You have to convert these and then write down again freshly and then compare and then get the answers. Without this, if the question was given directly, we would have solved each question in only 30 seconds by observation. But here is trying to kill your time. Okay now? Yes. But it is not tough, it is easy. But the examiner is trying to kill your valuable time. P at the rate. What do you mean by P at the rate? P greater than Q. Dollar greater than or equals to S. Star equals to U. V cap V less than or equals to Q. Percentile less than T. Cap less than or equals to R. Next. T star T equals to H at the rate greater than D. What is the first conclusion? R at the rate U. R greater than U. What is the conclusion here? R is greater than. At the rate and greater than kada. Chudam. What is common element? If I need to go from R to U, I need to take the help of Q. Avuna kada. R greater than Q. Yes. Q greater than or equals to U. Greater than or equals to greater than. Dollar. What does dollar mean? Less than. What should be less than? D less than S. To go from D to S, I need to take the help of T. D to T, T to Q, Q to S. Two people are helping in between. First, D less than T. Right or wrong? Chapandama. Say yes or no. D is less than T. Next, T greater than Q. T greater than Q. Less than greater than, opposite, cannot be determined. What's my answer? Only one. Only conclusion one follows. Understood everybody? Yes. Let's go for 96. I don't want you people to sit silent in the class. I told you, when I speak out something, I am expecting a response from you people. Isn't it? Please try to respond to my questions. Don't sit idle in my class. I hate it. Next. H power. H less than or equals to F. F star equals to T. Percentile less than P. F dollar. F greater than or equals to K. K at the rate greater than G greater than S. J power. J less than or equals to G. Star equals to V. P dollar greater than or equals to J. P greater than or equals to J. P and J, I need to take the help of whom? P to J, I need to take the help of whom? From P, I need to go to F. From F, I need to go to G. P and G. Now tell me one point here. P to F, what is the conclusion? P greater than F. But what is the conclusion that I need? P greater than or equals to J. But what is the first link that I get from P to F? P is greater than F. Will I get my answer? No. To get answer as greater than or equals to, the first symbol after P should be either greater than or it should be equal to. Any other the symbol other than this will never fetch me greater than or equals to. Isn't it? Akkadne close cheyale. Malla aalinchoddu ekku sepu. Next endi bhai? P, V less than T. What is this? V less than T. I am supposed to go from V to T. I need to take the help of whom? I am supposed to go from V to T. I need to take the help of which person? G. If you observe carefully here, F is equals to T. In the place of F, I will put T. G is equals to V. In the place of G, I will put V. Yes or no? What's my answer? V less than T. Right or wrong? Absolutely right. What's my answer? Only 2 follows. Is this clear? Let's see these questions here. If all the numbers are arranged, study the following information and answer the given questions following questions. How many numbers are here? 6 numbers. Each number has how many digits? 3 digits. Each number has how many digits? 3 digits. If all the numbers are arranged in ascending order from right to left, be careful. You are arranging all the numbers in which order? Ascending order. Ascending order అంటే small to big. ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఎక్కడికి? Right to left. అంటే in the right corner you'll have smallest number, in the left corner you'll have the highest number. Then which will be fifth from the right end? Total number of numbers 6. Fifth from the right end will be second from the left end. Second from left end is nothing but second highest. What is the second highest? 752. My answer is 752. Done. Did I use pen and paper? No. If all the digits are arranged in ascending order within the number, what will this become? What will this become? 4, 5, 8, 4, 7, 9, 2, 3, 4, 1, 7, 8, 2, 6, 7, 2, 5, 7. What is the difference between the highest number? What is the highest number? 479. And the second lowest antunnadu. What is the first lowest? 178. Second lowest? 234. What is the answer? 245. Is this clear? Next. If 1 is added to the each of the even digits and 1 is subtracted from the each of the odd digit, then all the numbers are written in descending order. Which number comes third from the left end? Descending order, third from the left end is third highest. In descending order, first number in the left will be what? Highest. Descending order highest kada andarkante first vachedi. Third from the left hand emiti? Third highest. Okay na? Sorry. Ippudu chudandi okasari andaru board vaipu. 1 is added to each of the even digits. I want highest number and lowest number. Highest number and lowest number will depend upon the first digit. Avuna kada? Make changes only to the first digit. Don't go for other digits. Make changes only to the first digit. Chalo, 1 is added to the even digit. 9, 5, 3, 7. Okay na? Next entity. 1 is subtracted from each odd digit. 1 minus 1, 0. 7 minus 1, 6. Which number comes third from the left hand? Third from the left hand in descending order is third highest. What is the highest? 9. Second highest? 7. Third highest? 6. Where did I get this from? 752. Is this clear? Which option is my answer? First option. I think there are questions that are supposed to be solved from number series. Isn't it? And where does this number series start from? Where does the number series start from? 30. Let's see these questions on number series. Okay? Shall we try to solve this? 36 hai kada. Tell me what is the difference between these two numbers? Increasing order or decreasing order? Increasing order. Huge or gradual or gradual? What is this? 13. What about this? 13, 9. 60 plus 65. Oh, come on. 13, 39 and 65. These are multiples of 13. What multiples? Odd multiples of 13. 13 ones, 13 threes, 13 fives, 13 sevens. What is 13 sevens? 91. I want 13 nines. What is 13 nines? 1, 1, 7. So 217 plus 117. What's my answer? 334. Is this clear? Chalo, increasing or decreasing? Amma? Huge or gradual? Gradual. And we have to go for the differences. What is the difference here? 10, 17. Next, 26. Idemito? 37. Now, did you understand anything with these numbers? 10, 17, 26, 37. Evan arthamainda? Difference of difference. Ma difference of difference ane pani evaru chestaru telusa? Ordinary people chestaru. కానీ ఇంటెలిజెంట్ పీపుల్ ఏంటంటే ఆడికి ఆ నెంబర్ చూడంగానే మైండ్లో థాట్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. డిఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఈస్ డన్ బై ఆర్డినరీ స్టూడెంట్స్, నాట్ బై ది ఎక్స్ట్రాడినరీ వన్స్. ది ఎక్స్ట్రాడినరీ వన్స్, యాజ్ సూన్ యాజ్ దే సీ దీస్ నెంబర్స్, సంథింగ్ విల్ ఇమీడియట్లీ స్ట్రైక్ ఇన్ టు దేర్ మైండ్స్. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? వెరీ గుడ్. n square plus 1, 3 square plus 1, 4 square plus 1, 5 square plus 1, 6 square plus 1, 7 square plus 1 ante 50. Understood everyone? నెంబర్లు చూడంగానే గుర్తించాలి. అదే వాటి గొప్పతనం అక్కడ నెంబర్ సిరీస్లో. Come on. Pretty standard type of questions for you. This one is. Shall I go for huge increase or gradual increase? First we'll go with the products. Plus 1 is nothing but into 1 plus 1. This is 9 2s 18 plus 3. 21 into 3 63 plus 5 into 4 plus 7. 68 into 4. 68 into 4. 240 32. 272 plus 7. 279. Saripayindi kada. Next is what? Into 5 plus 9. Obviously 200 into 5 ante number should be more than 1000. Don't worry, you check, you will get the same answer. Are you getting the same answer? Chapandamma. Chappan differences. Differences didama. What is the difference here? 20. 58. What about this? 120. What is the difference here? 120. And what is the difference here? 212. Any guesses? Any guesses? I'll just give you 1 minute. Please check. Guess. Come on. I'll see whether somebody will guess this or not. Okay, look at this. What's the speciality of number 120? What's the speciality of number 120? Em chepparamma? 5 cube minus 5. Is 212 near to a cube? 6 cube minus. This is 4 cube is 64 minus 6. What is 64 minus 6? 58. 6, 5, 4, this should be 3 cube. 4, 5, 6 minus 7. 3 cube 27 minus 7 is almost 20. This is a adbhutamaina question. Is it? Next should be what? 7 cube minus. What is 7 cube? 343. Minus 3 is what? 340. What should be my answer? 7, 5, 4. Understood? This question is a little bit tough. కొంచెం టఫ్. ఓకేనా? అనుకున్నంత ఈజీ కాదు, ఎందుకంటే ఆ నెంబర్లు గుర్తించే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తే కరెక్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ ఏమిటో చూడండి అమ్మా. డిఫరెన్సెస్తో పాటు వెళ్ళిపోతే వచ్చేస్తాయి కదా. ఆల్ ద నెంబర్స్ ఆర్ 2 digit నెంబర్స్. వాట్ అబౌట్ దిస్? 3, 5, 7, 11. 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Why? Primes. Is this clear? Chalo. Does anyone have any doubts in this paper? Any doubts? Thank you.